Tired of complicated and expensive ways to send money to your loved ones in Nepal? Then stick around, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to send money to Nepal using Remitly. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to understanding fees and choosing the best payout option. First things first, download the Remitly app from your app store or visit remitly.com on your computer. Once installed, open the app and tap Sign Up or Join Now. You will need to enter your email address, create a secure password, and select your country of residence. Make sure you read and agree to the terms and conditions. Now, select Nepal as your destination country. You'll see the current exchange rate and any associated fees clearly displayed on the screen. Next, you'll choose your delivery method. Remitly offers several options for Nepal, including bank deposit, cash pickup at various locations, and sometimes mobile money transfer. Select the option that works best for your recipient. You will need to enter your recipient's details accurately, such as their full name, address, and bank account information. If you're choosing bank deposit, double-check everything to avoid any delays. Now, enter your payment information. Remitly accepts various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. Choose your preferred option and securely enter your details. Before finalizing your transfer, carefully review all the details. Make sure the amount, recipient information, fees, and exchange rate are all correct. If everything looks good, tap Send or Confirm to complete your transfer. You'll receive a confirmation number that you can share with your recipient to track the transfer. And that's it. You've successfully sent money to Nepal using Remitly. Your recipient will receive the funds according to the delivery method you selected. Remitly makes sending money internationally quick, secure, and affordable. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.